Okay.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Students, now see here. This is your exercise 5G. Today we'll start question number 4. So in this question number 4, if you observe here properly, find the value of x. Your question is find the value of x if first part 13x is equals to 58 square minus 45 square. That is your question. So all of you think in your mind how we will solve the question. Very simple question. Obviously this is very easy question, but try to understand the concept. Actually from this equation we have to find out the value of x. So how we will find out the value of x? Let's see. First of all, write down 13x as it is. And as we know, yesterday also I told you, same formula, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So we can say this is considered a. So 558 plus 45. And this is again considered a, this is considered b. So a minus b. That means 58 minus 45. Okay, done, no issue. ठीक है. अब क्या करोगे आप? 13x write down as it is, and 58 plus 45, what should be the answer? We can say this is 103. Yes or no? 58 plus 5, that is 63, and 63 plus 40, that is 103. Write down here. Multiply. आप बोलोगे सर मल्टीप्लाई कहाँ से आ गया? Because in between these two bracket no sign will be there, that means multiplication have. Okay, now 58 minus 45, that should be 13. Yes. Now x is equals to, we can say 103 multiplied by 13 and divided by 13, because we know जब भी कोई भी चीज multiplication में होता है then we have to shift it into divide. Okay, now this 13 cancel out, so that means what is the answer? The answer is equals to 103, and that is your 100% correct answer. Okay, so x is equals to how many? X is equals to 10. Okay, all of you understood? Just like this, we just. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Same question, question number 4, second part also. So see here, question number 4, second part, that is given 24x is equals to 99 square minus 87 square. That is your question. Okay, now see here students, how we will solve the question. 99 square minus 87 square. Okay, so see here, very simple question, same process. 24x write down as it is. Formula we know already, a square minus b square. So the answer will be a plus b, that means 99 plus 87, multiply a minus b, that means 99 minus 87. No issue, very simple. Now write down here 27x is equals to 99 plus 87. Okay, 99 plus 87 is equals to how many? Anyone? देखो 99 plus 1, यहाँ से 1 ले लो ना, that is 100, and 100 plus 86, that is 106. Multiply 99 minus 87, that is 12. Write down 12. Okay, now write down x is equals to, आपको सिर्फ x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. That's why x is equals to 186 multiplied by 12 and divided by this 24, because we know any number when multiplication convert into divide, जब भी हम साइड चेंज करते हैं then we have to convert into divide. Write down here divide. ठीक है, so 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So the answer will be 186 divided by 2, that is equals to 93. So x is equals to how many? X is equals to 93, and that is your 100% correct answer. Okay, all of you understood? Thumbs up like this, all of you in this question also. Yes or no? Very good. Actually this each and every question is the same process, same manner, same formula. तो इसमें कुछ doubts का बात ही नहीं चलता obviously. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see here, question number 5. I know here many of the students give an answer also in your chat box. Very good. But all of you remember, you have to use your chat box for a particular when I ask them question that only. Otherwise, अगर फालतू के आप chat box use कर रहे हो, so I will remove from this live class. Always remember. Next question, question number 5. Now in this question number 5, I will tell you 2 questions and remaining 2 questions now only have to solve in your live class. I will ask one by one. What is the answer of this question? See here, first question. That is 179 multiply 179 minus 21 multiply 21. So how we will solve the question? See. अच्छे से देखना. All of you concentrate here only. Okay. So first of all, 179 multiply 179 means what? 179 का square. Yes or no? Because अगर कोई भी दो नंबर आप repeated times multiply कर रहे हो, that means that number square. If I write down 2 square, 2 square means what? 2 multiply by 2. Simple concept. Similar way, we can say 179 multiply 179 means 179 square minus 21 square. आप बोलोगे सर आपने क्यों लिखा इस तरीके से? Because we know the formula. We know the formula a square minus b square. Yes or no? We know the formula a square minus b square is equals to, we can say, a plus b. इसको consider करो a. This is considered b. So a plus b and a minus b. Sorry. A minus b. Okay. Now a plus b, that is 200. Simple. 200, write down 200 and multiply 179 minus 21, that should be 158. Yes. अब तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना, अगर आप इसमें भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने में मिस्टेक कर दे, दैट मीन्स यू डोंट नो द कैलकुलेशन. देखो किस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 158 multiply only 2. So what should be the correct answer? The answer will be 316. Correct. And this 00 write down as it is, and that is your 100% correct answer. 31600. Okay, no issue. Very simple questions. Again, I am telling you. So next question, we'll move. Next question. One question more. Yes, obviously I will do one question more, and after that I will give you for solving the question. Okay, no issue. See your next question. Now your next question, that is question number 2. That is, we can say 1.62 multiply 1.62 minus 0.38 multiply 0.38. देखते हैं अब इस क्वेश्चन को, है ना. All of you just be prepared for this question. So in this question we can say 1.62 multiply 1.62 means 1.62 का square. Okay, write down here minus 0.38 square. Done. Okay, now again consider this is a and this is b. Yes, so a square minus b square formula a plus b. देखो a plus b and multiplication a minus b. Yes, ठीक है. अब देखो 1.62 plus 0.38, that should be only 2. अब एडिशन करने में मिस्टेक मत कर देना. Only 2.00 या we can write down 2, that is both are same. अगर आप लिख रहे हो 2.00 and if you write down 2 only, है ना, इसका कुछ मीनिंग नहीं है. So we can write down 2 only, no issue. Multiply 1.62 minus 0.38, that is equals to, we can say कितना होगा आपका. Let's see, 1.62 minus 0.38. This is 4 and this is 2. This is 1. So 1.24. Write down here 1.24. No issue. Now multiplication do na. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. So your answer is 2.48. That is your 100% correct answer. Okay. No issue. Very easy question. Yes or no? Very easy. Very good. So I hope these questions are all of your Understood. Okay, now next question, all of you solve yourself and tell me what is the answer of this question. I'm writing here. Next question. Third part. That is 297 multiply 297 minus 203. Fast, all of you do fast है ना? 30 सेकेंड आपके पास टाइम है. 94. Okay. And hint is also given. Hint आपका ये है. You just write down 94 is equals to 297. Just hint is 297 minus 203. That is your hint. You can use this hint also. No issue. And tell me, students, what is the answer of this question? Very fast. Yes, done. Okay, see here. So we can say 297 whole square we can write. Because 297 whole square obviously we can write down. And here 203 ka whole square. No issue. And downside, as I told you, 94 is equals to, we can write down 297 है ना माइनस 203. आप एक बार मैच कर लेना. मैं जिस तरीके से कर रहा हूं आप भी उस तरीके से करें कि नहीं करें. सो 297 है ना, a square minus b square is equals to 297 plus 203. This is a formula only, a plus b and a minus b. Okay, and in downside that is 297 minus 203. Give in bracket 1 times. Now this whole part and this whole part, that is cancel out. So what is the remaining upper side? 297 plus 203. That is your correct answer, 500. Yes, that is your 100% correct. Okay, very good. You are done. That is very good. Now I will move next question. Question number 4th. Okay. So in 4th part, that is 23.71 multiply 23.71 minus 16.29 multiply 16.29 divided by 0.742. Okay, that is your question. Now tell me, students, what is your correct answer? Yes. Same method. Yes, obviously this is the same method you have to solve. Okay, if you are doing, that is very good. If you just doing, so do yourself, no issue. And I am doing also with you. Last में आप answer check कर लेना. Okay, so see here. Obviously similar way 23.71 का whole square minus 16.29 का whole square. Downside 0.742. Okay, a square minus b square, same formula we have to use. So we can say 23.71 plus 16.29. इसमें थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन में हार्ड हो सकता है because this is in decimal. Obviously decimal में हमें थोड़ा सा हार्ड लगता है. Obviously we know. Now here 23.71 minus 16.29. बट मैं आपको इस तरीके से समझाऊंगा ही नहीं जिस तरीके से आपका हार्ड हो. दिस ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चंस जो भी मैंने समझाया वो आपके लिए इजी था. नाउ 0.742. ऑब्वियसली यू आर थिंकिंग सर 0.72 इज इक्वल्स टू वी कैन राइट डाउन 23.71 माइनस 16.29. बट यहाँ पे तो हिंट आपको दे ही नहीं रखा. सो हाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड, है ना. अगर आपको माइंड है तो ऑब्वियसली आप यूज कर लोगे इसको, अदरवाइज ऑब्वियसली इट इज नॉट. नाउ सी, अब क्या करेंगे? We have to solve only 23.71 plus 16.29. Let's see what is the answer. चलो डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं ना. 9 plus 1 that is 10. 0 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus 7 10. So again 0 1 carry. 1 plus 6 7 7 plus 3 again 10 0. But यहाँ पॉइंट लगाना है ना. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4. That is very simple addition. We can say addition, multiply. And here, see, इसको थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट करने में आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा, सो आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग हियर ओनली. 16.29, 11 minus 9 2, 1 carry, 7 minus carry, that is 6 minus 2 4, and here 13 minus no carry, 13 minus 6 7, so the answer will be 7.42. so write down here 7.42. ठीक है, and here 0.74, no issue, कोई बात नहीं. इस तरीके से आया तो आप लोग सोचते कट जाएगा, नहीं कटेगा. सी हाउ, आप कैसे सॉल्व करना है आपको. दिस पॉइंट you will remove. If you remove this point, then upper side we have to multiply 1000. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम? 1000. बिकॉज क्यों आप बोलोगे क्यों सर 1000 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद आपका डिजिट कितना है? 1 2 3, दैट्स वाई 1 2 3 0. अब देखो इसको भी अगर रिमूव करना हो, सो इन डाउन साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. यस और नो? 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ 0 0 0 0, okay, 742 cancel out, so the answer will be 40 here remaining, है ना, 40, and here multiply by 10, so 40 multiply by 10, that is 400, and that is your 100% correct answer. Now tell me students, do you understand this question? Yes or no? Yes, very good Sarita, very good. 400 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मैं बता रहा हूं ना, आपको एक एक चीज बहुत ही सिंप्लीफिकेशन के समझाऊंगा, बट आपको भी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज ऑब्वियसली इट इज वेरी हार्ड फॉर यू, है ना. ओके, नाउ एक्चुअली दिस इज कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन. नाउ वन क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग टू यू, ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व. ओके, सो सी हियर, देखता हूं मैं आप लोग कैसे इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं. ऑब्वियसली अगर आप बैक साइड से आंसर देख रहे हो, दैट इज योर लॉस, आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा. एंड इफ यू यूज योर माइंड, देन ओनली यू कैन लर्न ए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो लेट्स सी. सो एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन में लिख रहा हूं MCQ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन, है ना. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई विल गिव एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन, मोर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन, दैट टुमारो. ओके, सो सी हियर. सो वी कैन से, चलो मैं इसको बताता हूं किस तरीके से करोगे आप, हिंट भी दे दूंगा, बट जस्ट वेट, राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x to the power 4, and here 1 plus x to the power 8, and 1 minus x. Now let's see who solve the question. Obviously ये आपके पास क्वेश्चन है, just take your time and try to use your mind, है ना. Very easy question. Now students, what I have to do in this question? Very interesting. This 1 plus x and this 1 minus x, these two factors we will write down together. How? Like this. 1 plus x, and, okay, we will not write down. We will write down direct answer. 1 plus x and 1 minus x formula is there na? A plus b, a minus b formula is what? A square minus b square. चलो वही लिखो ना. A square means 1 square, that is 1 only, and minus x square. Can we write? Yes, obviously we can write, because formula देखना अच्छे से. 1 plus x and 1 minus x, that is a plus b, a minus b, and the formula is a square minus b square, and 1 square means what? 1 only, and x square, write down x square. तो इसको ही मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा. ओके, नो इशू. यस, अब देखो अच्छे से, है ना. नाउ whatever term is there, just write down as it is. 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power 8. Okay, now again if you observe properly, these two factors make another formula. These two factors make another formula. A minus b, a plus b. Yes or no? So we can write down a square. अब a square मतलब 1 square, and 1 square मतलब 1 only, minus x to the power 4, because x square का whole square, that's why x to the power 4. Write down here x to the power 4. Okay, done. अब बाकी सारे लिख लो. 1 plus x to the power 4, ठीक है, and 1 plus x to the power 8 also. No issue, no issue. Now again if you observe, this is making another formula. Which formula? Again same formula, a minus b, a plus b. So 1 square तो obviously 1, माइनस x टू द पावर 4 रेस्ट टू द पावर 2. देखो x टू द पावर 4 रेस्ट टू द पावर 2, दैट मीन्स x टू द पावर 8. 4 2 जा 8, राइट डाउन 4 2 जा 8. अब फिर से देखना, दिस इज मेकिंग अनदर फॉर्मूला, दिस इज मेकिंग अनदर फॉर्मूला, यस और नो, है ना. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट स्टेप, a minus b, a plus b. We can write down 1 का square 1 only and x to the power 16. Yes, and that is your 100% correct answer. So now I think all of you understood this question very well. Yes or no? Yes, tell me students now. I will unmute your voice now. Just wait. Solve the question. Yes. Very simple concept. What happened? Video paused. Maybe network issue is there. है ना? Okay. See here. My voice is cracking. Okay, now maybe this is not cracking. See here. Actually, similar way we can write down 4.359 का whole square minus 1.641 का whole square divided by 4.359 minus 1.641. No issue. Again, a square minus b square formula use, a plus b, है ना, a plus b and again a minus b. 4.359 minus 1.641 divided by 4.359 minus 1.641. Okay, no issue. अब देखो सेम term cancel out, and if you add them the answer will be 6. Answer will be 6, and that is your 100% correct answer. Okay, so students, I hope today whatever questions we have discussed, this each and every questions are very easy. Yes or no? Okay, so all of you practice this each and every question. Okay, and tomorrow we'll discuss some extra questions. Okay, MCQ questions. So just wait.